Hello, my name is Hugo Balta, publisher of the Latino News Network and an accredited solutions journalism trainer. I invite you to enroll in the course Climate Solutions Journalism, a community-informed and equity-focused approach. It's a new free online course offered by the Knight Center for Journalism in the Americas in partnership with the Solutions Journalism Network. You can sign up for the 2-week course right now at journalismcourses.org. Solutions journalism is a global shift in journalism focusing on what the news often misses, how people try to solve problems and what we can learn from their successes and failures. By covering solutions to local and global challenges, journalists can equip people from all communities with the knowledge to envision and build a more equitable and sustainable world. Again, the course Climate Solutions Journalism, a community-informed and equity-focused approach, is free, and you can register right now at journalismcourses.org. I hope to see you soon.